Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video. I love making these videos and I even love watching them. I just love to see what people carry in their bags. Like I'm just nosy, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys are excited to see what I'm carrying in my bag, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I've been carrying around this backpack since January and we are in April, so I've been carrying it for at least a good 3 months. So I absolutely love this bag. If you guys saw my birthday vlog, I did get this for my birthday from my mom and my dad, and I absolutely love it. She knows I love backpacks, so she got me a backpack. I absolutely love carrying this around just because we're always in theme parks and going to parks, and I love carrying backpacks because I just throw everything in here and just carry it in my back, and like that is just so much easier than carrying a purse. To me, this is so much easier than carrying a purse. Like, in my recommendation, yes, backpacks are the thing. I absolutely love it. So I definitely recommend carrying backpacks to go to theme parks and stuff like that. So I absolutely love it. And this is a Coach bag. It's brown and it does have a hint of like that lime green, but I love it. It has a different type of color. I feel like this is something different that not a lot of people I see carry around, so I absolutely love this bag. And yeah, that's basically it. And then in the back you can carry it as a backpack, as a crossbody. Like, you could change up the straps as many ways as you want, but I prefer the backpack way. Easier to carry, easy to put in my bag, and there you go. So that is what I like. So let's go ahead and jump into what's in this bag. So in the front it does have a zipper, so let's go ahead and open that up. I usually don't carry that much in here, so I don't even know what I have, but I do have some earphones, and then I also have 2 Advils. That is it for the back, the pocket in the front. That is all that I have in there. Yeah, that's it. So that is all I had in there, was my earphones and 2 Advils, because I always have to carry Advils with allergy season going on. Always have to have Advil. So then we're gonna go ahead and jump into the big pocket right here. And of course, I'm always carrying around my phone, always. And then I do have my Coach wallet, which this wallet actually is where I carry my cash. So usually I just have cash in here and loose change. That's basically what I carry in this bag. And then I also have the wallet that goes with the purse. I thought this was so cute when my mom got me this. I was like, oh my god, with the matching wallet. She is too much. But then I just carry my cards and my license in there. And then go ahead and I have gum. I have the icebreakers, and then I have the mints. Like, I absolutely love this flavor. Like, these are like my 2 favorite, and I always have to have gum or mint in my bag because I don't want to be walking around with bad breath. Okay, so next I have is another wallet, which is the wallet where I carry like all our passes, like to Disney and Universal and stuff like that. So I always carry that. And then I always carry like little cards here that I have like for like Sam's Club, like BJ's and stuff like that. And what else do I have back here? My Sephora card, my Ulta card, like all that is always in this wallet for that. And then I have a receipt from the post office, and then another receipt. This is the Coach. Well, actually I always keep the Coach receipts, and I always keep them in my wallet, I mean in my purse, just in case, like if I was to ever get rid of it, but I'm not getting rid of it anytime soon. And then next I have a whole bunch of lippies. What a surprise. And then I do have hand sanitizer. I always carry hand sanitizer because my daughter touches everything and I always have to clean her hands, so I always have that. And then I have my lippies. So I do have the NYX Soft Matte Lippy in the shade London, my absolute favorite shade. And then I have the Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss. Like, I love this gloss. It smells like fruit punch. Like I absolutely love this lip gloss. And then I do have the Morphe lip liner in Bite Me. Love those lip liners. If you haven't tried them out, try them out because they are very good. And then I also have a Velvet Mousse from Hard Candy, and this is in the shade Forgive Me Not. This is such a beautiful like pinky shade, like gorgeous, definitely beautiful. And then I do have a Too Faced lipstick in Sunday Fun Day. Like I love these because they smell like peaches. Like they are so pretty, and I did get this at TJ Maxx, so I did not pay a full price. Very good price for this at TJ Maxx. And then what else do I have here? So I do have some loose change I have to put in my other wallet. And then I do have a lash brush, like to brush out your lashes. I have that. And then yeah, that is it for the big pocket. Then I also have this little pocket right here, so let's see what I have in there. Let's see, so I have a whole bunch of stuff. So this is what I have in here. So I have a receipt, Sbarro's, the pizza place. And then I do have my Coach card. I have another receipt, a post office. That's when I send out like your giveaway stuff and stuff like that. Then I have a random note here. And then I also have Victoria's Secret, these are, what do they call them? Discount thingies. They have sent me like a free Ponte and discounts. So I'm excited because I'm going to be going there pretty soon to go pick up some stuff, because I haven't been to Victoria's Secret in like over a year, and I'm like, what am I doing with myself? Like I always go every year to get panties and stuff like that. Like girl, a girl needs some panties. Like every year I always need to get some new ones, just because, you know, need to get rid of the old and bring in the new. Like that's what I need. So that is it. That is all that I had in my bag. Both pockets are empty, this one and the back, and like it was needed because my backpack can get really messy really fast. So I'm so excited that I did this video, so it gives me a chance to clean this out and get rid of the stuff that I don't need. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye my loves.